Franklin Electric welcomed about 30 manufacturers reps to its Fort Wayne, Indiana headquarters for Little Giant product champion training. The training included classroom sessions discussing various wastewater solutions offered by Little Giant, as well as resources and sales tools, a factory tour, live product demos, and more.
I believe the huge investment is that we really want to make sure that our brand is recognized. We have been in business for 81 years as Little Giant, and this really just adds together to our legacy, and we want to continue to build on this legacy, and whether it's with brand lifts, or else we also have our training. We have videos that are available now, as well as different tools that will work for anyone who's in the sales process or the end consumer, and that could end up being anyone from a distributor to a contractor, as well as the homeowner. So just a lot of different investments. We've also had some good success with different videos that we're making that we can take bits and pieces of and put that into different YouTube videos or use them on our websites, and just really expanding knowledge. A couple years since we've had a training for Little Giant, just specific, and this is our wastewater training, and this is a perfect opportunity for us to host it at the Franklin Electric facility in Fort Wayne, Indiana, because it had never been here before, and we brought in a lot of our product champions. That's what we're calling them this week, and it's just a huge honor that they took time out of their days to come to our headquarters. Well, realistically, we are focusing on wastewater for Little Giant Plumbing, and we thought, well, let's cover with some of our product managers some of our top core products, as well as our 16G Series 1 horsepower grinder, and we also have our amazing lab facility that we really wanted to highlight here. And it really just seemed like we had a lot of different content that we could cover, and with wastewater we thought, well, let's cover the lab tour, let's cover our mobile training facility, let's give a general overview of our great core products. So we started with the manufacturer reps because they are realistically our driving force on sales. And it's a huge honor that we could have them here and really just highlight our relationship, our partnership with them, and also base it off of product knowledge and show them the affiliation and the appreciation that we have between Franklin Electric and Little Giant. And we just have a lot of great attributes to show them, and this is a perfect opportunity for this. So we are looking forward to expanding it, as like you said, to contractors, as well as we're going to expand it to the HVAC side, and we're also going to host another training up at our Canada facility in Bolton. Well, in today's market, we all know that the trades are suffering a little bit, and it's just by the generation. The baby boomers are getting older, we have retirement, and whether they come into sales in the industry or if they are out in the field as a contractor or plumber, realizing that there is a reliable brand out there, and that brand is Little Giant. And we've been around for 81 years, and it's great to show everybody the different support that we can have for them in their business, as well as, we appreciate the sales as well as the use of our product.